best thing about making this cake is that there are barely any dishes to do afterwards. You need to use an oven-proof pan. We're using cast iron. You only need a few basic ingredients. Start by greasing the pan. Next, add overripe bananas and mash them with a fork. Now crack in the eggs and mix them together with the banana. Add milk of any kind and melted butter. Add all the zest from one lemon and all the juice from the same lemon. Add vanilla extract, honey, oats, almond flour, salt, baking powder, and cinnamon. Mix well to incorporate everything. If you're liking our cake video, please give it a thumbs up. Let rest for 10 minutes so the oats absorb the moisture. Now add a little flour to the blueberries and stir in. The flour is to keep the blueberries from sinking while the cake bakes. Then add them to the pan. We're using frozen, but you can also use fresh blueberries. Mix them in gently, don't overmix. Now top the cake with more blueberries so it looks prettier. Bake in a preheated oven for 50 to 60 minutes. After 50 minutes, test the cake with a toothpick or fork. If it comes out clean, the cake is ready. Let it rest for at least a half hour before serving. To make the cake even prettier, you can add some icing sugar on top. The best thing about making this cake is that there are barely any dishes to do afterwards. Hooray! It's also very moist and tasty. If you enjoyed this recipe, we think you'll love this one too.